3D typography is a design technique that adds depth and dimension to traditional two-dimensional text. It involves creating text that appears three-dimensional, often by adding shadows, highlights, textures, or other visual effects to make the letters pop off the page or screen. Here are some key aspects of 3D typography. Extrusion. One of the fundamental techniques in 3D typography is extrusion. This involves taking a flat, 2D shape of a letter and pulling it out into the third dimension, creating depth. Extrusion gives the illusion that the letters exist in a three-dimensional space. Shading and lighting. Shading and lighting play a crucial role in making 3D text look realistic. Adding shadows and highlights to different parts of the letters creates the illusion of light hitting the surfaces, giving them depth and volume. Textures. Applying textures to the surfaces of the letters can enhance the realism of 3D typography. Textures can range from simple patterns to complex materials like wood, metal, or concrete. Reflections. Introducing reflections can make the text appear as if it's reflecting its surroundings. This adds another layer of realism and makes the 3D text blend better with the overall design. Color and material choices. The choice of colors and materials for the 3D text can greatly impact its appearance. Some designs may opt for a sleek and polished look, while others may go for a more weathered or industrial aesthetic. Perspective. Manipulating perspective is essential for creating a convincing 3D effect. Consider the vanishing point and the angles from which the light source interacts with the text to achieve a coherent and realistic look.